Good morning,
Good morning,
Miss.
all of you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you read your textbook? All of you?
Yes.
Yes. Any doubt?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
No doubt. Okay. Then
Yeah.
I think you are okay. If you have no doubt, please ask me, okay? I think you have no doubt. Huh? Yes. Then yesterday's class we discussed about characteristics of sun. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. Then who is ready to describe the characteristics of sun? Anybody? Can? Yesterday's class we discussed about the different characteristics or specialities of sun. Which are they? Anybody can discuss this? Huh? Anybody? Yes, Justus. Justus is ready to describe about sun. Yes, all of you please listen here. Yes, Justus.
The Sun is the largest member of the solar system and is located at the center.
Then please unmute Justus. Yes.
The diameter of the Sun is
No need to
about
read. No need to read. Say the answer in shortly. Yes.
the Sun is the main source of heat and light, so the ancient people worshipped the Sun as God.
Awesome. Next one, Joanna. Next point. Please unmute Joanna.
Okay, ma'am. The sun is at the average distance about 15 crore kilometers from the earth.
Okay. The average distance is about 15 crore kilometer from the earth. Oh, yes. Sri Vishnu is also ready to say the answer. Yes, Sri Vishnu, please unmute and say. Yes, third point.
Brightest disk of the sun is photosphere.
The brilliant disk of the sun that is seen from the earth is known as photosphere. Then another one. Yes, Hannah. Yes. Heaven. Yes, please unmute.
Light traveling the earth from the sun to earth is 3 lakh kilometer per second.
Then time. It takes how many times? 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
8 minutes.
Yes. Next one.
20 seconds.
Yes, very good. Then Harinand. Yes. Harinand. Harinand Harish. Yes.
The diameter of the sun is
109 times greater than the diameter of
the earth.
earth. Very good. Then I think you have no doubt. Then can I take the next topic? Planets. Are you ready? Can you follow me? Yes, very good. Okay. Next one, planets. All of you listen here. We already discussed about planets. How many planets in the solar system? 8 planets. Sun and there are 8 planets and there are 100 non-satellites including solar system. The family of the sun is solar system. Okay. Then the planets are 8 in the solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are, first one, say loudly, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. Then there are 8 planets in the solar system. According to their distance from the sun are, first one, Mercury, second one, Venus, third one, Earth, fourth one, Mars, fifth one, Jupiter, next one, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. ഇത് സൂര്യനിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിന്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ് ഇത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പഠിക്കണേ. Okay. പഠിക്കൂലേ? Yes. I say once more, there are 8 planets in the solar system. According to distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. Then listen. The planets are the 2 types. Then inner planets and outer planets. Okay. Planets are classified into 2 categories. First category is inner planets. Second category is outer planets. Okay. There are 8 planets in the solar system. These planets can be divided into 2 categories. First category is inner planets. Second category is outer planets. Okay. Then this inner planet is also known as terrestrial planets. Clear? I say once more, all of you listen here. In the inner planets also known as terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets means Earth-like planets. Clear? Then inner planets are Earth-like planets. So these inner planets are known as terrestrial planets. Okay. Inner planets are also known as terrestrial planets. Why? Inner planets are Earth-like planets. Okay. Inner planets are Earth-like planets. So inner planets are known as terrestrial planets. Then inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. There are 4 inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the 4 inner planets. Okay. Any doubts? Anybody? All of you listen. I say once more. There are 8 planets in the solar system. According to the distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are divided into 2 categories. First category is the inner planets. Second category is the outer planets. Okay. Then the inner planet is also known as terrestrial planets because inner planets are Earth-like planets. Okay. Then terrestrial means Earth-like. Okay. So terrestrial planets means Earth-like planets. Then inner planets are Earth-like planets. So these are also known as terrestrial planets. Then Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the 4 inner planets. Okay. All of you please read that paragraph. All of you please read. Okay. Yes. Have you read? Okay. Yes. Anybody have any doubts? Have you understood? If you have understand, please raise. Okay. Okay. Just have understood. Okay. Hannah, Heaven also, Joanna, Sri Vishnu, Joel, yes. Harinand, yes. Afras, okay. Yadu Krishna, yes. Then next one, outer planets. Clear? Outer planets are also known as gas giants. Clear? Outer planets are also known as gas giants because they are made up of gases. Clear? Outer planets are known as gas giants because these are made up of gases. Clear? Outer planets are known as gas giants because they are made up of gases. അതായത് ഈ ഔട്ടർ പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഗ്യാസസ് കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാണ്. അത് നമ്മൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നു? ഗ്യാസ് ജെയിൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. Which are the outer planets? Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Clear? I say once more, all of you listen here. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 4 outer planets. These planets are known as gas giants because these planets are made up of gases. Okay? Which are the outer planets? Which are the outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 4 outer planets. Okay? Outer planets are also known as gas giants. Why? Outer planets are also known as gas giants. Why? Just as yes, Heaven is ready to say the answer. Okay, Heaven, please say.
Because they are made up of gas.
Outer planets are made up of gases, so they are known as gas giants. Okay. Then, just as inner planets are known as terrestrial planets. Why? Please give the reason. Inner planets are known as terrestrial planets. What is the reason? First, you unmute your phone.
Because they are Earth-like planets.
Because they are Earth-like planets. Okay. Then, which are the 8 planets according to the distance from the sun? Harinand Harish. Name the 8 planets according to the distance from the sun. Harinand Harish. First, unmute your phone. Harinand, please unmute your phone. Harinand, yes. Which are
Mercury, Venus.
Which are the 8 planets in order of their decreasing size? Sorry, decreasing size we paranjillarunnu alle. I forgot it. Okay. Then, yes, distance from the sun, according to the distance from the sun. Paranjo? Mercury, Venus,
Mars, Earth, Mars,
Jupiter,
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, very good. Then I'll next paragraph nokku makkale. The 8 planets in order of their decreasing size. Decreasing size il paranjittunde. Adeda Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars and Mercury. The 8 planets in order of their decreasing size are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars and Mercury. അതായത് ഒന്ന് ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞത് സൂര്യനിലുള്ള അകലം അനുസരിച്ച്, രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഡിക്രീസിംഗ് സൈസിൽ. ഓക്കെ, ഡിക്രീസിംഗ് സൈസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ ജുവാന? ഇൻക്രീസിംഗും ഡിക്രീസിംഗും. Yes, please unmute. Yes, what is meaning decreasing?
Decreasing വെച്ച് അതിന്റെ രൂപത്തിന്റെ രീതിയിൽ.
അതായത് കുറഞ്ഞു കുറഞ്ഞു. Yes. Okay, Harinand. Yes. ഏഹ്
കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല, സ്റ്റെക്ക് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നു.
കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല മോനെ? ഇപ്പോഴാ? ഇപ്പൊ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can you hear? If you can hear, please raise your hand like this. Show your thumb if you can hear. Okay. ഹരിനന്ദൻ? Yes. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല ഹരിനന്ദിന്? What happened? എല്ലാവർക്കും കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. ഹരിനന്ദിന് എന്ത് പറ്റി?
ചില സമയം ഇങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് സമയം കേൾക്കും, എന്നിട്ട് പോകും.
Okay. Then listen. We are discussing about outer planets. Okay. Then outer planets are known as gas giants because they are made up of gases. Then outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Okay. Then dear students, all of you listen here. I say once more, we are discussing about inner planets and outer planets or planets. Planets are the celestial bodies or heavenly bodies or which the objects which we can see in the sky. Okay. Then there are 8 planets in the solar system. They are, which are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Then these planets can be divided into 2 categories. Planets can be divided into 2 categories, the inner planets and outer planets. Then inner planets are also known as terrestrial planets. Then it means Earth-like planets. The inner planets are Earth-like planets, so they are known as terrestrial planets. Then inner planets are, which are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the 4 inner planets. Then outer planets. The outer planets are also known as gas giants because they are made up of gases. Clear? The 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay? മനസ്സിലായോ ഇത്രയും? Anybody have any doubt? Dear students? You have any doubt? Please read your textbook, all of you. Please read your textbook. Just you have any doubt? Just no. Okay. Okay. Finished? Have you finished, all of you? Yes, very good. Okay. Can I take the next? Can I take the next? Okay. Yes, very good. Then, then main features of planets. Then we are going to discuss about the features of planets. First one, the planets are heavenly bodies. The planets are heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. Already we learned about planets. Planets are heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. What is heavenly body? What is heavenly body or celestial body? Yes, heaven. Heaven is ready to say. Okay. What is celestial body or heavenly body? Heaven?
The object we can see in the earth, the sky is called the heavenly bodies.
Yes. the objects which we can see in the sky is known as celestial body. So the planets are celestial bodies. Second point, they do not have their own heat and light. Then sun have their own heat and light. Alle? Sun have their own heat and light, but planets do not have their own heat and light. സൂര്യന് അതിൻ്റെതായ വെളിച്ചവും പിന്നെന്തുണ്ട് ചൂടും ഉണ്ട്. But planets do not have their own heat and light. Okay, sun have their own heat and light. Planets do not have their own heat and light. Okay. Yes. Then third point, they shine as they reflect the light of the sun. The planets are shining because they are reflecting the light of the sun. അല്ലേ? സ്വയം പ്രകാശിക്കുന്നതാണോ? Yes, Harinand. Yes, Harinand. Clear ആവുന്നില്ല? ഇപ്പോഴോ? Okay. Yes. Then Joel, you have any doubt? Joel, clear ഇല്ല?
No.
Yes, listen. Then we are going to discuss the main features of planets. First one, planets are heavenly body. Second one, they do not have their own heat and light. Then third one, they are reflecting. The planets are reflecting the light of the sun. അതായത് അതിന്റെയും they are shining or they are reflecting the light of sun. Then fourth one, all planets are spherical in shape. All planets are spherical in shape. എന്താ മക്കളെ spherical എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല്? What is the meaning of spherical? Sphere or spherical means? Yes, Joanna is ready to say the answer. Okay, Joanna, please unmute and say. Yes.
Spherical means a round shape object which have top and bottom with flat
Okay.
space.
Then spherical means round. Then did you hear hemisphere? Hemisphere in pre-classes. What is the meaning of hemisphere? Half of the sphere. Okay. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. Sphere means round. Okay. Clear? Yes. Then sphere means round. Then all the planets are spherical in shape. All the planets are round shape. Then next point, they revolve around the sun in elliptical path is called orbit. അതായത് ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? Around the sun. സൂര്യനെ അറൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. എങ്ങനെ? എലിപ്റ്റിക്കൽ പാത്ത്. അതിന്റെ ക്ഷീരപഥം എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? അതിന്റെ എലിപ്റ്റിക്കൽ പാത്ത് വഴിയാണ് അതിനെ അറൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആ എലിപ്റ്റിക്കൽ പാത്തിനെ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് എന്ത്? ഓർബിറ്റ്സ്. ക്ലിയർ? The planets revolve around the sun in elliptical path. That elliptical path is known as orbit. Okay? Yes. Next one, the planets move around the sun from west to east. The planets move around the sun from west to east. അതായത് പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ് സൂര്യനെ അറൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. എവിടെ തൊട്ട്? വെസ്റ്റ് ടു ഈസ്റ്റ്, പടിഞ്ഞാറ് നിന്ന് കിഴക്കോട്ട്. മനസ്സിലായോ? From west to east. The planets move around the sun from west to east. Next point, while revolving around the sun, the planets also rotating on their axis. The planets are rotating on its axis, their own axis. Planets are rotating on their own axis. Then last one, each planet takes a different time to complete one revolution around the sun and one rotation on its axis. It takes different times to complete one rotation or revolution. Okay. Planets take different times to complete revolution and one rotation on its axis. One rotation revolution എന്താണ് revolution ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി അതിന് different time എടുക്കുന്നു എന്ന്. Okay. Then, dear students, all of you listen. We are discussing about different features or main features of planets. First one, planets are celestial body or heavenly body. Yes, just as
ഈ ആക്സിസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ വാക്കിന്റെ കറക്റ്റ് സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് എന്താ?
എന്താ മോനെ?
ആക്സിസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ വാക്കിന്റെ കറക്റ്റ് സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് എന്നാ?
AXIS. എന്തേ?
അവസാനത്തെ രണ്ട് സെന്റൻസിൽ രണ്ട് അക്ഷരങ്ങളായിട്ട് കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ല.
കണ്ടില്ലല്ലോ, എവിടെയാ?
വൈൽ റിവോൾവിംഗിന്റെ ആ സെന്റൻസിലും താഴത്തെ സെന്റൻസിലും.
അത് മാറിപ്പോയതായിരിക്കും.
ഏതാ കറക്റ്റ്?
Axis, AXIS. Okay. The spelling of axis is AXIS. Okay. Yes. Then, dear students, all of you listen. Then, features of planets are first one. Planets are heavenly body or celestial body. Do not have their own heat and light. Then, they can reflecting. Planets can shining or reflecting. Then, it around the sun in elliptical path, that is known as orbit. Then next one, the planets move around the sun from west to east. Then planets rotating on axis. Then planets take different times to complete revolution and rotation. Okay. Yes, all of you please read the features of planets. And after you read, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Read carefully, all of you. Heaven. Yes. Finished? Have you finished? Yes, very good. Joel, finished? Not finished? Finished. Yes. Then I will revise once again. All of you listen. We are learning about planets. Then planets are heavenly body which we can see in the sky. Then heavenly body is also known as celestial bodies. Then there are 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets according to the distance from the sun. Then 8 planets in order to their decreasing size are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars and Mercury. Harinand, any doubt? Harinandine kelkunnilla mone? Harinand, you have any technical problem? Harinande, clear illa?
ഇല്ല, ഇപ്പൊ മിസ് പറഞ്ഞത് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടായില്ല.
മോന് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളല്ലോ, വേറെ ആർക്കും ഇല്ലല്ലോ. അവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നമാണോ ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തേ മോനെ.
ഇവിടെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ കണക്ഷൻ പോകുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ. Then yes, just as please unmute and ask me മോനെ. എന്താടാ?
മിസ് ഇന്ന് നോട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? നോട്ട്സ്? നോട്ട്
ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ നോട്ടില്ലാതെ
അത് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ തരുമോ?
page. Then listen. The planets are classified into two parts: inner planets and outer planets. Then inner planets are known as terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets means Earth-like planets. Then inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the four inner planets. These inner planets are also known as terrestrial planets, which means Earth-like planets. Okay. Next one, outer planets. Then outer planets are gas giants. Outer planets are gas giants because they are made up of gases. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the four outer planets. Then നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത് main points ആണ്, characteristics or features of planets ആണ്. Planets are heavenly bodies and it have their own heat and light. They are traveling in elliptical path called orbit. Then the planets move around the sun from west to east. Then the planets take different times to complete revolution and rotation. Okay, these are the main features of planets. I think you have no doubt. Clear illa alla? Nammade Harinandinu endho prashanam undallo. Clear illa alla mone? Harinande? Endada? Hari? Please answer. എന്ത് മോനെ?
ഇപ്പോൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഹോംവർക്ക് ഐറ്റം പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നോ?
ഇല്ല പറഞ്ഞില്ല, പറയാൻ പോകുന്നു. I am going to give you homework. Okay. Then doubt illalla? Then your homework ഇന്നലെ ഞാൻ തന്നത് ബുക്കിലേക്ക് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു ആരെങ്കിലും? ഇന്നലെ ഞാൻ ഹോംവർക്ക് നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ തന്നിട്ട് ആരും എന്റെ പേഴ്സണൽ നമ്പറിൽ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ. Send it today. Okay. ഇന്നലെ തന്ന ഹോംവർക്ക് അതായത് നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതാനാണ്. അത് ഇന്ന് തന്നെ എഴുതി സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. ശ്രീവിഷ്ണു സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ജസ്റ്റിസ് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തില്ലല്ലോ. ഇന്ന് ടുഡേ. ഓക്കെ. യെസ്. ദെൻ ഹോംവർക്ക് ഞാൻ വാട്സപ്പിൽ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് തരാം കേട്ടോ. എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ fill in the blanks എഴുതാൻ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൽ കുറെ പഠിപ്പിക്കാത്ത കുറെ കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ ഗിവ് ദ ഹോംവർക്ക് ത്രൂ ദ വാട്സപ്പ്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ ഗിവ് ദ ഹോംവർക്ക് ത്രൂ ദ വാട്സപ്പ്. Then all of you please read your text carefully. Then at that time, if you have any doubt, contact me. I will clear your doubts. Okay. Our time is going to over. Then tata. മക്കളെ ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടെ പറയുന്നു, ഒരു കാര്യം കൂടെ. all of you listen. നമ്മുടെ fill in the blanks ൽ പഠിപ്പിച്ച ഭാഗത്തുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ ആൻസർ ഒന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. fill in the blanks ലും match the following ലൊക്കെ നമ്മളെ match the following ഇല്ല, fill in the blanks ലും time to learn ലും പഠിപ്പിച്ച കുറെ ഭാഗങ്ങളുണ്ട്. അതിന്റെ ആൻസർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നാളത്തേക്ക്. ഓക്കെ. Yes. Then tomorrow I will ask the questions about this lesson. All of you please ready to say the answer. Okay. Then time is going to over. Till then, bye bye. Tata. Okay.